Oh, hello everybody, welcome back. We're out today on the 2002 R1. This bike means quite a lot to me. I've had it since new, so I thought we would go for a little ride and tell you a bit about the story of this bike. Come along. As you can see, if you can see the car and the speedometer, the odometer, very low mileage. Bearing in mind this bike is 24 years old, and I've had it all of those 24 years. So yeah, I'd had the previous R1, a 99 model, which I'd also bought brand new, but unfortunately that got written off in a nasty crash, which we'll probably cover in another video at some point. But yeah, I thought that was probably me done with fast bikes when I was lying in hospital after that, but no. If any of you, well, you all know, once you ride bikes, that's it. So once I was recovered, this model 5PW was being released, so yeah, as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have one. So March 2002, I think, Jesus, this is quite anarchy, but I think it might have even been the 9th of March 2002. I rode away from the showroom on this bike, so I've had it since new, one owner. And as at the moment, completely standard. Nothing, no fancy bits on it, no loud pipe, mudguard still in place, everything. So why have I never done anything to it, or modified it, or sold it? I think basically now I can't let it go now. There can't be many of these in this condition in the UK. There just can't, with this miles, etc, etc. So yeah, the reason for the low mileage, and I mean this bike has been with me, like I say, 24 years. It's a large part, a chunk of life. So in that time I met my wife, we've had kids, I've worked abroad, so yeah, all of these things have contributed to the low miles. And as the years have gone by, with the miles remaining low, it's become a bit of a, not an obsession, but I really don't want the miles to go up, because it used to be, because I was thinking that the value would start to rise and it would be worth a bit of money, but now it's no longer that reason. The reason is just, I don't know if I could not have it in my life. It's been in my garage all that time. I've always had it, it's been a constant. So to let it go to someone else now, I just don't think I could do it. But never say never, but no, I think I think this bike is with me till the end. So, yeah. What do I like about it? I like how it looks. I've always liked the looks. I know that it's a very subjective thing, but everybody's got their favourite, or what to their eye is the best looking R1. And I have to say, to my eye, this is the best looking R1. But, you know, I know there might be many disagreements in the comments, etc., but that's fine. But to me, this one is the best looking one. So I like the looks, I like the power, speed and the power. Obviously it's a 1000cc superbike, very analog, even though it is the first of the fuel injected ones. It's, even now, it's very quick. I compare it to my Z900, which is also quick, but this is a different kind of quick. It really is. Yeah, there's not much that I like about it these days. I mean, I'm getting on a bit in years now, so comfort is becoming more and more of a thing, and this bike is not comfortable. I mean, I am literally, I don't know, 10 miles, 15 miles from home, just ridden those 10-15 miles, and already my neck is sore, my wrists are sore. Granted, I'm driving it like an old lady, but that's so that you guys can hear me due to the classic old wind noise issues while vlogging. But yeah, well, this is it. My 2002 R1 with less than 8,000 miles on it. It's completely standard. I have all the books and keys and everything that goes with it. What would you guys do? Would you keep something like this and just keep it for the sake of keeping it? Would you sell it and try and cash in? I mean, unfortunately, these things are not worth they're not worth what the first generation R1 seemed to be worth now, which I find amazing. But no, I keep waiting for the value to go up, but it makes no difference. It won't be leaving my garage. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think? What would you do? Would you keep it? Would you modify it? Or would you just polish it and look at it, which is what I tend to do quite a lot of the time. Try and catch some scenery. Visor down to try and help with the wind. We're riding up in the northeast of Scotland just now. Don't know if you can catch any of that, but it is absolutely spectacular. If you look across there, I'm trying to capture it. Amazing scenery. I mean, that is something that is quite amazing. Is just the thrust of the bike. You open it up in any gear, it just pulls and pulls and pulls. No gizmos, no traction control, quick shifter, wheelie control, anti-wheelie control. I mean, who would want that anyway? I used to wheelie this one but that was quite a few years ago now. I wouldn't trust myself these days. So yeah, just a short run out. It's not quite the full story. Like I say, you've got most of the details there. I'm rambling a bit now, but it's just, to me, it's just an awesome bike, and one that I don't plan to get rid of unless somebody comes with an absolutely crazy offer of money. Yeah, because where would you get another one of these like this? You just wouldn't. Oop, diversion. I've got no choice but to go this way. That's the other thing I noticed being old. When you come to a junction and you got to turn around like that, wow, it's quite difficult. Quite difficult to turn the head. Again, another reason for wanting a more upright bike. That is also another video, another bike. So there we are, people. A shortish kind of video about this fantastically lovely 2002 Yamaha R1 5PW model. I'm going to end things there. If you like this, I was thinking perhaps of doing some kind of series of stories of bikes I've owned. If that's something that might be of interest, let me know in the comments, because I quite fancy doing it, really. If you want to hear stories from 40 odd, 50, nearly 50 years of motorcycling, I've got quite a few. So yeah, if those are things that you might be interested in, like I say, leave a like or a subscribe. It all helps the algorithm push my videos to people like you who are watching them, hopefully. So once again, if you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.